So here's a question that recently smacked me in the face like a cold toilet seat in elk camp. Was I even hunting all those years? I used to think I was a hunter. Back in the Midwest, hunting was simple. Private land, same 80 acres, same stand, same routine. Coffee in the thermos, snacks in the pack, and a whole lot of sitting. It was like Groundhog Day in camo. I'd wake up early, still half asleep, shuffle out to the blind like some woodland retiree on his morning commute. Pack, oh yeah, loaded with snacks, like I was prepping for a movie marathon in the woods. I'd sit there all day, or let's be honest, until I got cold or hungry enough to bail. Then I'd wander back to the house like a deer hunting hobbit. The plan was simple. Sit, wait, hope something legal wandered by like it forgot how eyesight works. And when it did, thwack, freezer meat. And then call it a successful day in the woods. And yeah, that worked more than once. But looking back, I start to wonder, was I even hunting? Was I just waiting? Then I moved to Colorado, where easy hunting goes to die. Public land, big mountains, no cozy little tree stand with a view of the food plot. Oh, buddy. Now it's hike till your soul hurts, glass for hours, and if you're lucky, maybe, just maybe, you'll spot something alive that's not flipping you the hoof on its way over the next ridge. Out here, easy got left at the trailhead. This is the kind of hunting where your legs burn, your lungs hate you, and your pack feels like it's full of regrets. You hike miles, you glass until your eyes go fuzzy, you carry enough gear to survive a small apocalypse, because if something does go sideways, it's not a phone call to the house. It's on you. And the animals, they don't stroll through your shooting lane. They vanish over ridgelines like smoke. You earn every second you're close enough to think about drawing your bow. And if you do get a shot, congrats. Now haul 100 plus pounds of meat, bone, regret uphill for 6 miles in the rain, backwards, both ways. The snacks are still there. They're just next to iodine tablets and a GPS beacon. And somewhere along the trail, somewhere in the sweat and silence, I realized I wasn't just waiting anymore. This is hunting. It's gritty. It's exhausting. Sometimes it straight up sucks. But it's also real, wild, raw, and when it all comes together, there's nothing like it. So yeah, I ask myself now, was I even hunting back then? Or was I just sitting in the woods with some good snacks? Either way, now I'm in the real deal. Boots on the ground, bow in the hand, and while it's 10 times harder, it's 10 times better. And I wouldn't trade the grind for anything. What are your thoughts? Was it hunting? I don't know. Weigh in.